What's up, guys? Welcome to 12M Hustle. Let's get into it. So it is 6:18. Let's jump right into it, guys. Hope you guys are having a blessed day. Good morning. Hope everything's good. This is October 16 on a Thursday, 2025. So let's jump into what we have. So yesterday I did take this long off here. My stop was that London low and actually that level 2, 24,875. I talked about it yesterday in our pre-market live show that I do every morning. About 5 to 10 minutes. Don't take too long, too much of your guys' time. But let's get into it. So today, and it was funny because I actually said in yesterday's video, I don't think they're going to reach previous day low, and they actually tapped it. So that's really funny. Where I had said, we're going to gap up to previous day high, and then maybe come back down to previous day low, and they did exactly that. So that's hilarious. But for today is we're starting to build higher time frames, so we're starting to build higher lows. So which is good and bad, but it's bad for the bears basically because the bulls are excited because they're starting to make higher high. So here they made a higher high Asia, and they made a higher high yesterday. So now, ideally, I'm going to keep it simple for today's trading. Most of the news I believe got canceled because we are still in government shutdown. So that is no fun. Looks like we have 4-week, 15-week, 30-week mortgage rates, 9, 730, 945. Some guy speaks, but nothing major is going on news unless, Mr. Trump tweets something about the China war going on with the oil, soybeans, and all that. But until then, keep it light, keep it tight. I'm going to keep it pretty smooth. Anything above previous day high, I am looking for a breakout into 25,278, and ideally the long target is going to be 25,400. So I'm looking to continue this trend up, but I don't like this down wick we had yesterday all the way down to previous day high. So on the short side, if I would short this, it would have to be anything below 2,500, 25,000, and anything below yesterday's opening range. So below key levels, opening range of yesterday, and 25K. I'd be looking for a short. I'd be looking for Asia low and possibly previous Asia low, which was 24,741. So this is the ideal game plan, right? I need to see it pop above previous day high so I can continue long, and below this yesterday's opening range, and I can see that go boom short on the short side. So that's game plan for that. Let's jump into the Russell. So the Russell, yesterday's game plan was pretty simple. What did we say? We said anything below London, right? London low would go short. Anything above this level, London high would go long. So could have took the long off the open and then got the short. So win-win, right? So same thing. Anything below previous day's open, which is 25.36, I would go short, targeting 25.20 and targeting previous day low. Anything above London high, which is 25.470, 4.7. Anything above 25.47, I would be targeting 25.59 on the Russell. This is micros. Next would be, on the side note, make sure you guys get your coffee this morning. I haven't even drank mine yet, but I'm getting some of that right now. Give me a sec. All right, here we go. Yeah, we got 8 minutes to the market, guys. Yeah, you guys are literally the first thing I do in the morning. Gets my market brain going. So this is the Dow Jones. Looks like we had exactly what we talked about. Anything below London low yesterday, what did we say? Go short, right? Boom, we got it. You got your money made. Same thing, you could have gone long. Anything above London high, you got your long. So longs and shorts got paid yesterday. So simple for today is going to be, I need it to go above. It needs to go above previous open for me to be bullish on the Dow. So it needs to go above previous open. And then I would be targeting, keep the target short on the Dow. I'd be targeting previous day high of 46.917. Now, on the downside, I would be targeting anything below, again, anything below this London low right here. Bada boom. This is defense right here for the Dow. So, I mean, you got key levels on the, overnight, basically Asia low, London low. We need to break these levels for me to think in this area. We need to break it for me to think we're going to go down to previous day level 46.227. So anything below Asia low, London low, I'm going short. I would be looking for previous day low. Anything above yesterday's opening range, which was also London's high 46.705, I would be going long. Okay. And MES, we're gonna keep it nice, keep it tight. So MES, same thing. Anything above that opening high, that opening drive yesterday, anything above London high, this area right here, I would be going long. Boom, up into previous day high of 6.765. Excuse me. Anything below 6 minutes till market opens. Anything below. Actually, on the ES, anything below 6, I need to see this break. I need to see 6,700 break, and then I would be going short on that. And last one for you guys is Bitcoin before the market starts. So Bitcoin. Anyone that trades crypto pretty much trades this bad boy right here. So yesterday was Gucci. Looks like we got the short there. They actually made that bottom top, and then overnight we got a triple up drip down. So again, anything below previous day low, I'm looking for a short on Bitcoin, just because this key level, I believe 110. If that doesn't hold on Bitcoin, this thing's going down. But on the flip side of that, anything above yesterday's open, anything above 112, I'd be going long on Bitcoin, targeting 113, 114 area. So there it is, guys. Broke it down for you guys. Kept it quick, kept it short, about 7 minutes long. Hope you guys have a good one. Keep your risk in check. Make sure you guys subscribe, like. You guys can comment if you guys have any questions, anything else you want me to break down. I can get more into stocks that I trade, big caps, small caps, what I look at, stuff like that, okay? In the meantime, I'll just keep this channel for live on just indexes, on just futures. But hope you guys enjoy. Have a good one. Peace. Thanks for coming.